This is just a quick walkthrough of how to use RevoScan 5 beta. Right here I'm going to be using the range 3D scanner. I'm going to scan this bunny splicer mask from the video game BioShock. It's roughly about 14 inches long from ear to the bottom. Just go ahead and press the play button and scan as you normally would. As you can see, the range scanner scans fairly fast. It captured this whole thing in, a matter of seconds. When you finish doing your scan, press the pause button. Then you can have a look at your point cloud. Everything here came out pretty well. There's a few spots on the side where it captured the table. We'll take them out in the editing. Go ahead and press the stop button to complete. Then go over to the Ed tab. Then right here, you're going to be at raw, which is just the raw frames. It's not a point cloud yet. We'll use the manual editing and adjust the point cloud point distance. Then you click apply. This will fuse the point cloud and you'll end up with the point cloud model. There is a progress bar, but for some reason it didn't capture in the recording, but it's almost done. Alright, so now we're at a point cloud. So this is what it looks like fused together. Most of the time when you fuse the point cloud, minor adjustments are made so the model comes out just a little bit cleaner. So right now we're going to get rid of all the little excess where it captured the table. We'll do the isolation. You click on it, it's going to get rid of all those sides. Click detect. And again, there's another progress bar. It's just not recorded. It's going through and it's detecting the points. It's almost done detecting. It should pop up any second now. Okay, see there. All the points that are red will get deleted when you click the apply button. Alright, and see, it got rid of all of those. For the most part, this is a good scan. There's some holes on the side, and it's simply just because I didn't get to scan those. I didn't go down far enough on the sides. But we'll just move on to meshing the model. This is where you can do the meshing settings. Right here I use a 6.8 on the quality, then hit apply. And again, there is a progress bar, just the software did not record it for me. Okay, that did take about 2 or 3 minutes. I just clipped it out of the clip. It's no sense in just staring, watching at it for 2 minutes. But overall, the models, everything's pretty good. There's still the holes on the side. I'll show you how to fill those in a second. But just looking at the quality of the model. This was a 3D print. Then here I'll show you how to smooth the model, just in case your model came out lumpy. I actually like the texture of this model, but if your model came out lumpy, you can use the smooth settings here. It's the same thing as denoise from the old software. Now here it's finished. It did smooth it out a little bit. Not too much, which is good. I'll go ahead and show you how to fill those holes. You click the detect button, it'll go through and detect all the holes and it'll pop up with them. As you can see, every hole is detected with the red border around it. What you want to do is click on the line of the one that you want to fill. And I'll just go through and fill the holes that I want to fill. And again, it would have captured these. I just simply didn't bring the scanner down enough on the sides so I can actually see it. Alright, got everything selected. Then just click the apply. And give it a little bit of time. Okay, it's finished. And there you go. You have the holes filled, models all nice and smooth. Only took a couple of minutes to get something like this. Well, hope you guys enjoy.